My name's Suzanne. I'm from Manchester. I've been working in software development for a long time. Within our team, it was becoming obvious that UX needed to have its own focus. My manager knows that I'm quite into art and design and asked if I would be interested in taking on that role. My concern was I didn't have any formal training. I was encouraged to find a course and came across this one. The help that it's given on structuring user interviews. I have spoke to a lot of end users before, but I've never had any structure to go by, so that was immediately helpful. I find the fact that you can go back to things really useful. If you're in a classroom, you don't have that opportunity. And I like the fact that it's flexible. You can do it in your own time and fit it in around your job. Having the certification will help in my career. It will give me the confidence to pursue a bigger role for myself in UX. I would absolutely recommend the UX Design Institute and this course to other people. Anybody who's working with customers and users. I would recommend that everybody in our company took it, to be honest. I consider myself a creative person, so in that way UX has been great for me. It's enabled me to bring that into my working day, whereas it wasn't so much years ago.